In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive files on Windows. If you've accidentally deleted a file or folder from OneDrive, don't worry. In many cases, you can recover it quickly using the recycle bin in your OneDrive account. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. To begin, open OneDrive in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one, because deleted files will only appear in the recycle bin for the account they were originally stored in. Once you're inside OneDrive, look over to the left-hand navigation pane. There, select Recycle Bin. This is where OneDrive keeps files and folders that have been deleted, giving you a chance to restore them before they're permanently removed. After opening the recycle bin, take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to bring back. If you have a lot of deleted items, it may help to scan carefully through the list so you choose the correct one. This is especially useful if there are multiple files with similar names. When you find the item you want to recover, select it. Make sure the correct file or folder is highlighted before moving on to the next step. This helps avoid restoring the wrong item by mistake. Next, click Restore at the top of the page. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will begin putting the item back in its original location. In most cases, this happens very quickly. You should then see a loading indicator or a brief message near the bottom of the screen confirming that the item was restored. You'll also notice that the file or folder disappears from the recycle bin list, which is a good sign that the restore was successful. To confirm everything worked, go back to your files in OneDrive and check for the restored item. If the process completed normally, it should be back where it originally belonged. This is a good final step because it lets you verify that the file is available again and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to restore OneDrive files on Windows. It's a simple process, but knowing where to find the recycle bin and how to restore an item can save you time and prevent unnecessary stress if something important gets deleted.